How you going? Welcome back to a little video, another little video. So today I'll be doing the fuel pump and the boss kit on the KE20. The fuel pump should be pretty easy. I think it's just 2 bolts, 2 fuel lines, and out it goes, and the new one goes, but also the gasket as well. And the boss kit, I have a KE10 one on at the moment, so I had to order another KE20 one, which I couldn't find in the first place. That's why I got the KE10 one. So now I've got the KE20 one, I can just swap that out. So we'll get stuck into that. So yeah, there's a fuel pump there. Oh, there's only 2 lines coming in from it. No return. There's just 2, I think 12mm bolts just down the sides. But first I'm going to do disconnect the battery so I don't spark up anything and catch anything on fire. And yeah, remove these fuel lines. It's probably not a very recommended thing to do, but I've had to use my shirt to catch any fuel falling because I forgot to bring any rags. Goes. So a lot of that came out. I'll try to just keep it up. So that's out of the way. The second line, I think it's a 13mm. It's 17 and a 14 now. There we go. Alright, there it goes. Now that that's all disconnected, I can get to undoing the mounting bolts on the side of the motor. So this is the new fuel pump for it. That's that little chamber I need to block out. It comes with a little block out in the box, so that's all good, but that should fit in there nicely. And hopefully they'll, you know, get rid of some issues that I've not been able to diagnose yet. So in the box it also includes, you know, a bunch of new gaskets. There's a new gasket there. There's that block out. It's actually my PCV valve that came in the mail as well, I forgot about that. So there's the old fuel pump. It's definitely seen better days. There's the hole there. That gasket's all ruined, so I gotta scrape that off. Other than that, it should just be a in and out sort of job. So it's got those new gaskets on there now. Now it's just time to slide that fuel pump in. But with that block off valve, didn't actually thread properly, so I was kind of jamming in there. But that should be right. So I'll go ahead and slide it in there, just like that. Looks pretty good to me. Alright, so now I'll go ahead and bolt that down properly, and then I'll reconnect the lines and should be ready to start up. So that's all torqued up now. Now all we'll do is install the fuel lines, and that should be it really. Fuel line. Just gonna go right there. That is not sealing right at all, so I'm gonna have to take that out. So I'm gonna have to reuse the old valve, what do you want to call it, on the new pump, because that's way too skinny. That's the old one, that's the new one, so I'm gonna have to take that out. Alright, so now that old little valve's on there now, put the fuel line securely back on it. So that's the original. That's the new one. That's still pretty loose, probably need to get a new little clamp, but that's pretty sick. But yeah, it's time to start it. it started first go. Just out on a little test drive now. Everything seems to be working well. So yeah, that's a relief. But definitely had some troubles trying to start it because it kept trying to shut off, but it seems to be running right now. Yes, that's really it for this video. Another thing I did do was replace the boss kit, because the boss kit that was on it was a KE10 boss kit, not a KE20 boss kit, so it wasn't really fitting that well. But next I'll probably have to do something to do with the trans, because the trans is just leaking heaps of oil everywhere, and haven't really figured it out yet, haven't really pulled it up. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, and thanks for all the support as well. It's been a bit, you know, getting a lot of messages saying, you know, good on you and stuff like that, which is all good, which is really good. But yeah, no, love it, love filming, love working on the car. You know, it's a bit hard with work now because I've started to go back to work during COVID. Now it's 400 Ks a day or whatever, but it's a bit hard finding the time, but you know, always got to, you know, dedicate myself to this sort of thing. You know, keep the rhythm going, otherwise I'll just be doing nothing. But yeah, anyways, well, thanks for watching, and you know, thanks for all the support.